Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students for second grade. How are you today? Hopefully you are fine. Well class, today we are going to discuss or learn on chapter 4 with the title There Are 11 Sticks. On this chapter, we are going to learn about cardinal numbers 11 to 20. And also we are going to learn about kembang kelape. For more information about chapter 4, let's discuss it together. Here you are. A. Listening. It is on page 30. Berada di halaman 30. Listen to your teacher carefully and repeat. Dengarkan ke guru kalian dengan hati-hati dan ulangi. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20. Well students, now you practice it by yourself. Sekarang anak-anak dicoba oleh kalian sendiri ya. And then we continue for the next discussion. Study these sentences. Yuk kita pelajari kalimat berikut ini. Number 1. There are 11 flower vases. There are 11 flower vases. Ada 11 vas bunga. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, is it right, student? There are 11 flower vases. Number 2. There are 12 coconut leaves. There are 12 coconut leaves. Ada 12 daun kelapa. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, student, is it right? There are 12 coconut leaves. Ada 12 daun kelapa. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it right, students? There are 12 coconut leaves. Ada 12 daun kelapa. Number 3. There are 15 erasers. There are 15 erasers. Ada 15 penghapus. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, is it right, students? There are 15 erasers. Number 4. There are 18 books. There are 18 books. Ada 18 buku. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Is it right, student? There are 18 books. Number 5. There are 20 brooms. Ada 20 sapu. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is it right, students? There are 20 brooms. Well, class, just now we have discussed about listening, and now we are going to have test listening about exercise. But before this, I would like to discuss about the glossary first. Here you are. Glossary on page 37. Bag, tas. Calendar, kalender. Chair, kursi. Clock, jam dinding. Coconut leaf stick, lidi daun kelapa. Cutter, cutter. 18, 18. 11, 11. Eraser, penghapus. 15, 15. 14, 14. Glue, lem. 19, 19. Oil paper, kertas minyak. Pen, pen atau pulpen. Pencil, pensil. Ruler, penggaris. Scissors, gunting. 17, 17. 16, 16. Table, meja. 13, 13. 12, 12. 20, 20. Whiteboard, papan tulis. Well, class, this one's about the glossary. You can read it and you can learn it by yourself, okay? Nah, untuk menambah perbendaharaan kosakata, anak boleh dilatih kembali, dihafalin sehingga kosakatanya akan bertambah. Dan berikutnya, we continue for the exercise about listening test. Here we go. Exercise. Listen to your teacher, then write the sentences you hear. Dengarkan guru kalian, kemudian tulislah kalimat yang kalian dengar. Oke, jadi anak-anak, nanti setelah mendengarkan yang ini, kalian tulis jawaban yang Mister ucapkan. Number 1. There are 14 chairs. There are 14 chairs. Number 2. There are 12 clocks. There are 12 clocks. Number 3. There are 15 calendars. There are 15 calendars. Number 4. Number 4. There are 16 pens. There are 16 pens. Number 5. There are 19 books. There are 19 books. Well, class, there are 5 listening tests. Jadi ada 5 nomor tes listening. Nah, setelah mendengarkan ini, Anda tulis jawaban yang barusan kalian dengar. Okay, students, let's continue for the next lesson. B. Speaking. Study these dialogues. How many bags are there? How many bags are there? Ada berapa banyak tas? There are 11 bags. There are 11 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there are 11 bags. How many rulers are there? How many rulers are there? Ada berapa banyak penggaris? There are 12 rulers. There are 12 rulers. Ada 12 penggaris. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number 3. How many erasers are there? How many erasers are there? Ada berapa banyak penghapus? There are 13 erasers. There are 13 erasers. Let's count it, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, is it right, student? There are 13 erasers. Number 4. How many dusters are there? How many dusters are there? Ada berapa banyak kemoceng? Ada berapa banyak kemoceng? There are 14 dusters. There are 14 dusters. Ada 14 dusters. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it right, students? Yes. Number 5. How many chairs are there? How many chairs are there? Ada berapa banyak kursi? There are 15 chairs. There are 15 chairs. Ada 15 kursi. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it right, students? There are 15 chairs. And then we are going to continue for the next lesson. Here we go. Well, class, let's discuss about Jakarta. Do you know Kembang Kelate? Apakah kamu tahu kembang kelape? Kembang kelape is made of coconut leaf stick. Kembang kelape itu terbuat dari lidi daun kelapa. Jadi kembang kelape itu terbuat dari lidi daun kelapa. The stick is wrapped in colorful paper or plastic. Stick tersebut dibungkus atau lidi tersebut dibungkus dengan kertas berwarna atau plastik. Kembang kelape can be put into flower vase. Kembang kelape bisa diletakkan di vas bunga. It is also for ornament on ondel-ondel's head. Ia juga untuk ornamen atau variasi di kepala ondel-ondel. Kembang kelape is used as a decoration placed in front of the stage, tourism attraction, or art performance. Kembang kelape digunakan sebagai sebuah dekorasi yang ditempatkan di depan panggung, atraksi para turis, atau penampilan kesenian. Well class, here are the example of kembang kelape like this, and also this one on the head of ondel-ondel, kembang kelape. And we are going to continue for the next lesson, students. Well class, we continue on C reading. Read the text below. My classroom, ruang kelas saya. This is my classroom. Ini adalah ruang kelas saya. It is a big room. Ini adalah sebuah ruangan yang besar. There are a teacher desk and chair in front of the class. Ada sebuah meja guru dan kursi in front of di depan kelas. This one. There are 20 chairs and 24 desks for students. Ada 20 kursi dan 20 meja buat para siswa. Okay, this one. There is also a clock on the wall. Ada juga sebuah jam dinding di dinding. A fan is on the ceiling. Sebuah kipas angin di atas langit-langit. My classroom is always clean. Ruang kelas saya selalu bersih. We always clean it every day. Kami selalu membersihkannya setiap hari. Well class, this one about my classroom. And for your juries, buat tugas kalian, tugas yang kedua, you will answer these questions. You will answer this question. Pay attention carefully because we are going to discuss it. How many teachers' desks are there in the class? Ada berapa banyak meja guru di kelas ini? Nah, tadi ada berapa? Jawabnya ada. Nah, pakai bahasa Inggris. Number 2. How many desks are there for students? How many desks? Ada berapa meja buat siswa? Ada 20 meja buat siswa. Dibahasa Inggriskan. Number 3. How many chairs are there for students? Ada berapa banyak kursi buat siswa? Tadi di bacaan ada 20 kursi buat siswa. Dibahasa Inggriskan. Number 4. Is there clock in the class? Is there, adakah atau apakah ada sebuah jam dinding di kelas? Oke, ada atau tidak? Number 5. Where is the fan? Di mana kipas angin tersebut? Tadi ada di bacaan. Oke, this one for your second juris. Tugas kedua kalian. And then for the third juris, here you are. Ini dia. Well, students, for your third juris, tugas yang ketiga ini di PR-kan saja. Nah, jadi hari ini cukup kalian mengumpulkan 2 tugas. Nah, yang ini nanti dikumpulkan sebelum pertemuan yang akan datang. Perintahnya adalah find more than 10 words in the box. Carilah kurang lebih atau lebih dari 10 ya. Carilah kurang lebih 10 kata di dalam kotak. Boleh mencari yang mendatar atau menurun. Oke, you find out, dicatat di buku kalian. Oke. Kira-kira nanti berapa kosakata yang kalian temukan di dalam kotak tersebut. Okay, well class, this one for our learning today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention. God bless you always, and I wish Allah always protect us in healthy. Thank you. See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.